So a very common question with no clear answer is, what is hypnosis? For me personally, it's a technique used by hypnotists, right, to access someone's subconscious, all right, so we can more easily make the changes they want to make. So if you have change you want to create, like you're afraid of flying, for example, and you have to fly somewhere and you're going to be gripping the thing, you're going to be trying to take pills, medication, knock yourself out, and you're absolutely terrified, all right? You're not born with that fear. Somewhere along your little journey, right? Maybe you were watching a TV show that had a plane crash in it when you were a kid, before the thing we call critical faculty, so before you were 7. Maybe you're watching the news one night and a plane crashed. That's now seared on your subconscious. And now you have to fly. And you're wondering, why am I afraid of flying? Right? It can be as simple as that. And no pill is going to clear that. And no amount of willpower is going to clear that. That's where you go and see a hypnotist. And he uses techniques that you do automatically every single day. There's nothing magical about this, right? When you fall asleep, you're going into a state of hypnosis on your journey from awake to REM. All right? If you get engrossed in a book or a movie, that's the same as that hypnotic state. So essentially, the hypnotist is working with you like you're reading a book, and you go into this, I'm totally captivated by this book, and you get into that same focused state, all right, where everything else around you is turned off. You're so engrossed in the movie or the book, all right? We get you into that same state with the techniques we use, all right? And that gives us the ability now together, all right, to go in and explore that, where did that fear come from, and we take it away. And then you come out of that state, all right, and that's been removed, and now the next time you fly, boom, you're good.